Alright guys, so I got it up there and what I'm looking at, and I'm going to show you. You see the notches on the tote or the wash thing? Slightly big. So I have to decide if I want to play the squeeze game and push it in there. It is rubber bait. Or do I want to go back to the drawing board? We'll figure it out. Alright. Okay, good morning guys. First thing first, we're going to go ahead on and drill our boards in on the wash table. And what we're going to do, we're going to attack the bottom first, get low, and then raise it up to the ones at the top. So let's get started. I'm going to pull you down. So as you can see, I'm going to work down there first, screw those in, and I have 3 boards to go across. So we're going to go ahead on and get that did. So I already see a mistake, but I already know what I'm not finna do. So I'm gonna have to get real creative now, and it wasn't scheduled. So instead of having to go in long ways, I'm just gonna have to do them that way because I'm not gonna unscrew this stuff. And for the purpose it's gonna have, it'll be okay. Now mind you, I actually can put some more. They're not the same length, and I can cut them, but I'm not gonna lie to you, that's not something I want to do right now. So what I am gonna do, I'm gonna bring it down on this end because this is the outer end. And at a later date, so just in case you didn't hear me, I'm gonna do them like this, which that's not how I actually wanted them. But I didn't realize that my crossbars at the bottom was so far in, but that's okay. So what I am gonna do though, I know they're different lengths, so I brought them out more on this side so I can later go back and cut. So getting them down right now is the best option, or I can actually go and get the saw, circular saw, and go ahead and cut them and put them in how I want them. It's no matter what, it's going to be an extra step. So well, let's see, let me think about it, be back. Alright guys, so I decided to go ahead and cut the boards, quit being lazy. Hopefully I can do this here before the rain comes. It is cloudy out here, so let's see. Okay, so there we got the boards cut. Oh Jesus, I'm sweating. Sawdust everywhere. So now you want to see if your boards are in the right length. No. Let's check this one real quick. They each need to be trimmed just a hair. Be right back. I'm gonna get them trimmed up a little bit. And we'll go ahead on. Okay, I got the boards cut, but I'm not trimming nothing else because if I trim too much more, I might make it too short. So I'm gonna take this hammer. Now I'm gonna tack them and space them out. Woo, that's why I'm doing the bottom first, because this bottom, oh Lord. Guys, I am sweating like a horse. This is not fun. God darn it. I'm not unscrewing those things. Woo. It's hot. So, I'm going to go ahead and trim these two a little bit because I'm not unscrewing that crossbar. Be back. Okay, we're going to see if this is going to work now. Oh, I hope so. Because I'm ready to just go ahead and screw this stuff. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now we're going to get to screwing, and because it's a lot of bending, I'm going to go ahead on and get them screwed in, and I'll show you how they look after screwed in. Whew, guys, that was some work. I had to trim and retrim, but that's how the bottom right now is going to look, and I'm kind of glad I got the bottom done. It's not professional, but you have to remember my channel is about me building projects, you know, to create my sheet space, as well as not having experience building these particular projects. I'm kind of going off my head, you know, as well as what I think I will want. Now, if I had a team of people working on these different projects, I'm pretty sure everything will be nice, neat, straight. But this is about using what I have, spending as little as I can, I have to, and creating a space that will be suitable for me, but as well as pleasant. And who knows what happened a couple of years down the line. I may readjust it, may get a more, get a better one already put together. Who knows? But the moral is giving me creative experience as well as experience using these different tools that I'm using. This is the first time I've used like the saws. Now I've used like drills here and there, but coming up with a vision, taking that vision, putting it into action or into a structure is not as easy for a woman that had no experience with building stuff like that. Now assisting with someone, holding the board, holding this, that's one thing. But getting out there doing it yourself is totally different. So I respect any comments or any suggestions. But mind you, anything that I've already put together, they gave me, a lot of crap. I'm not going to redo it. So, but maybe in the future, some of those comments or some of those suggestions that what I should have, could have, would have done may be helpful. But in this particular series, in this particular project, because I am a beginner with these builds, again, I can use those suggestions and those comments, at a later date as my skill set builds up and get better. But I think I'm doing very well, very good on what I'm doing. Like I said, it may not be someone else's idea, but if it was their idea, then this would be their page. And again, it's not to disrespect anyone, but I want to bring you to my journey on what is taking me to do this, and maybe someone else that's struggling as well, with give them an idea of what they can create for themselves and tweak it. Now I'm out here sweating hard, so what I'm gonna do now to finish this last of the being outside thing, whew, I'm gonna go ahead and do my crossbars for the top. I only have 4. How hard could it be? We'll see. Be right back. Okay guys, I hope y'all can see this. Whoa, and I tell you I'm tired. So trying to make sure it's going to sit in there correctly. I moved over one of my slates. There we go. Okay, so now all I have to do is make my drainage. So right now I'm gonna take a break because this girl is tired, and I'll be back when I come back out. So far this is how the wash station is turning out. I went ahead and put the my little tote under there. I will enclose that with some of that fence wire. I just have to figure out what side I'm gonna make accessible for me to go in and out of. This black trash can, the shorter one, the 30-gallon one, will probably sit under the wash station. I'm not sure yet because I remember poking a few holes in that one, and I don't want the water to be skeeting out. But again, like I said, this is where we're at so far, and I hope you guys can see the vision for my tub or my sink. And I just have to do the drainage part, and that may come later today, if not tomorrow, or once the rain cycle is ended. I don't have anything that I will have to wrench off anytime soon. I will not be probably starting anything outside right now for my seedlings. Everything that I probably will plant in the fall, I've already started. Maybe I might add 1 or 2 additional things. It just depends on the spacing I have. I don't want to overplant anything with the space. And also I want to make sure that that water catchment back there gets the water that I need in it. So now the next step will be to finish up the 45-gallon trash cans. So that's what I'm about to do. And it might not be on this video. I might add it to the next video. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, like or share the video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so every time I load up a video, you'll know. Thank you, and I hope this project helps someone.